a Pythagorean board that a student built for me years ago, and he did it to visually demonstrate the Pythagorean theorem in a way that other students could understand. So here you have your right triangle. There's the right angle where the two legs meet at the 90 degrees. So these are your two legs. They form the L of the right triangle, and this long slant side is your hypotenuse. And you can see he's cut out a square on each side whose length and width, since they're equal, are whatever the side of that leg is, the shorter leg, or whatever side of the longer leg. And finally, this one is the area using the length times length of the hypotenuse, or side times side. So on this one, we're going to use marbles to measure the length. And you can see that the length of this short leg is 3 marbles long, because 3 marbles fit into it. So if it's 3 marbles long, then it is also 3 marbles wide, which means it has an area of 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns, or 3 times 3. It has an area of 9 marbles. So 9 marbles fit into that square that is formed on the side of the short leg of the right triangle. On the long leg of the right triangle, we can see that 4 marbles fit there. It has a length of 4 marbles when measured in marbles, which means it also has a width of 4 marbles, because the length and the width are the same in a square. Hence the formula area equals side times side, or side squared. The sides are all the same, making it a square, not a rectangle. And so if it's a 4 by 4, 4 times 4, 4 rows and 4 columns of 4, would give you an area of 16 marbles on your longer leg. And according to the Pythagorean theorem then, if you add the areas from the squares of the shorter leg, which we call A, so this is the area, these marbles are the A squared, and the longer leg is B, so the area of these marbles is B squared. If you add them together, you should get the area of this. Well, here we have 3 by 3, it's 9. Here we have 4 by 4, it's 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25, which means that if 25 marbles fit here, the length of the side must be 5 marbles, which it is. So it's 5 marbles long, it's 5 marbles wide, and you can see that all these marbles, these 25 marbles are going to fit in there. It's a 5 by 5 square. So hopefully one day you will invent something like this and be able to use it. The student went on to become a banker, and then I'm happy to say is today a math teacher. So we look forward to you students doing something like this in the future to help demonstrate some of the theorems that we have in mathematics.